What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got another unboxing. We're gonna get some Cyber Monday deals in this box. What we should have is a 124, a 164, and then the Passing the Torch set. So hopefully we get that. It's supposed to come with a 164 free with purchase, so it's kind of a random one, hopefully. If it's in here, which it seems to be. There might be a few, because I think it was supposed to be a free one with each purchase, so maybe they sent a few here. We'll definitely see what we got. We'll get everything out, because I think they did send a different one with each purchase, because they were supposed to be the 164 free with each purchase, and I got both of these. They shipped together, but since this is here, we'll go ahead and take a look. Kevin Harvick's Atlanta win from last season. So we'll go ahead and bring it up. 2020 race winner. The story behind getting this one is I'm not very smart. That's the story behind getting this one. I missed out on the Circle B sale when this was 32 bucks, so I decided I may as well just get it for Cyber Monday on a different website for just a bit more than 32 bucks. But so there's that. So I guess we'll go over, the surprises. I don't know what these are. This might be, this is the 124 display, so that's good. But then we got the two, surprise 164. So let's see what we got. First one, Matt DiBenedetto. 2021 Motorcraft Ford. It's pretty nice that the free 164 is the 2021 season. And the second one here is the Dale Jr. 2021 Xfinity Series, United for America. This website is really cool to me. Let's see if I can. In the video a few days ago, it was the same website, but I'm going to show off the card again, because so far they've been really good. Diecast Depot Shop.com. NASCAR Collectibles, Diecast Depot. So the two free 164s, two good ones, and then of course that would leave the Passing the Torch, Chase Elliott, Jimmy Johnson. Beautiful set here. Beautiful set. So it looks like that is what we got. Let me pop that Kevin Harvick car out, and I will show that off here in a second. So we got it out. We got it on the display base here. Definitely a good looking ride. Glad to get it. Missed out on it for the extremely cheap price, but went ahead and settled. But nice base. But we'll go ahead and take a look here. I got it mostly for the paint scheme. Definitely helps that it's race winner. bunch of the build up there. Harvick's dominant 2020 season. A 0-win 2021, but beautiful ride as is. So glad to get it. Let's slide that back just a little bit. One more time over the rest of the goodies here. I think I'm going to show this one off in an upcoming video, so I'll leave it for now. But definitely good looking set anyways. And again, I bought these about 20 minutes apart. So I got the one free 164 with purchase. And we'll just go ahead and say 2. 1 free to purchase. Of course, shipped together though, so that's good. So glad to get that. Glad to see some deals going. The Cyber Monday deals coming up in. Got a big Black Friday haul coming up soon. No idea when that'll end up getting here, but for now, we got the Cyber Monday deals coming up, so that'll do it for this one. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you guys.